Well, today's January 10th of the new year 2009, and I'm mainly taking this video for my mom who lives in sunny Florida. After years of trying to fulfill her dream of moving to a nice warm climate, she's finally succeeded and has been there now for almost 5 years, and I'm so happy for her. And yeah, I don't know, I still like the snow. It's pretty. Probably because it's Saturday and I don't really have to go out in it today, so it's really extra pretty. But I just find it soothing, and I just love this evergreen tree I can see from my back porch kitchen window here. Yeah, just the snow here. And we're supposed to get more and more next week, and hopefully nothing reminiscent of the blizzard of '67, that's 1967, or 1979. Yeah, those were 2 years I remember. Fortunately, I was young during those years and could tolerate it. Now I don't know if I had to go out and go to work in it, what I would think. I think I'd call in sick till at least spring. And that's my neighbor Maura's unit. Yeah, we've got a nice porch. It sure looks different in the winter. Summertime, you'll see the cats out here stretching, laying in the sun. Got some peanuts right here for Charlie. He didn't finish the whole jar yet. He'll get to them later today. That's where they spilled tar when they were doing the roof. But yeah, just a nice snowy Saturday morning. Almost 10 o'clock. Well, best wishes to you in Florida, Mom. Love you. Have a great day. Love, Deb.